Imagine you're planning a trip to your grandparents in South Africa. You've missed them terribly, and you want to stay in touch while you're there. But what's the best way to do that without breaking the bank on international calling rates? That's where Vonage comes in. Today, we're going to dive deep into Vonage and see if it's the right solution for your international calling needs. What is Vonage? Vonage is a cloud-based communications platform that offers a variety of services, including voice, video, messaging, and contact center solutions. How does Vonage work? Vonage uses Voice over Internet Protocol, VoIP, technology, which means it converts your voice into digital signals that are transmitted over the Internet. This is similar to how you use apps like Skype or Zoom. Can I use Vonage for international calls? Absolutely. One of the biggest advantages of Vonage is its ability to make affordable international calls. Unlike traditional phone plans, Vonage offers flat-rate pricing for calls to many countries. Vonage plans for international calls. Let's take a look at some of the popular Vonage plans that are ideal for international calling. Vonage World. This plan offers unlimited calls to over 80 countries, including the United States, Canada, and Mexico. Vonage World Plus. This plan includes everything in the Vonage World plan, plus unlimited calls to landlines in over 60 countries. Benefits of using Vonage for international calls. Cost-effective. Vonage's flat-rate pricing can save you a significant amount of money compared to traditional phone plans. High-quality audio. Vonage uses advanced technology to ensure that your calls are crystal clear. Flexibility. You can use Vonage on your smartphone, computer, or even a dedicated Vonage phone. Additional features. Many Vonage plans include features like voicemail, call forwarding, and caller ID. Setting up Vonage for international calls. Setting up Vonage is a simple process. You can either purchase a Vonage phone or use your existing phone and download the Vonage app. Once you've signed up for a plan, you'll be able to start making international calls. Tips for using Vonage for international calls. Here are a few tips to help you get the most out of Vonage for international calls. Check your internet connection. A strong internet connection is essential for making high-quality VoIP calls. Use a headset. A headset can help improve audio quality and reduce background noise. Consider a Vonage phone. A dedicated Vonage phone can provide a more traditional calling experience. Is Vonage right for you? If you're looking for an affordable way to make international calls, Vonage is definitely worth considering. With its flat-rate pricing, high-quality audio, and flexibility, it's a great option for both personal and business use. So, can you use Vonage for international calls? Absolutely. In fact, it's one of the best ways to stay connected with loved ones across the globe without breaking the bank. With Vonage, you can enjoy crystal-clear audio, affordable rates, and a variety of features that make international calling easy and convenient. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.